Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Running Forward. What are you waiting for? No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Unity software. So this is for educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. Let's take a look at this stock U, ticker symbol U. You can see some of the drawings on this chart because I talked about it in the past. If I can bring your attention to the weekly chart, you can see that this was a $200 stock, and then it was declined a whole lot and came down to this price range, about $40. And back there, it tried to build a base in this area for about 2 years time, and then it failed, and then it came down to the bottom of this box, and then starting from there is trying to build another base here. And right now, if we zoom in on this here, we can see that this box area just got, let me take that out. The stock price just break through that box top on this weekly candle here, and now it's trading above it. So let's come back to the daily chart. We can see that that was the resistance area, about 2850 area, and then it went past it, and then for 3 days it pulled back and seemed to have fine support at this past resistance area. And then if you look at the weekly chart, if we come to the weekly chart again, use the measurement. If we go from here, I think the first reasonable target is to this area, about 3280 range, and then that's already 11%. And then if it can go higher to this area here at about $41-ish, 41, that's 40%. And if it can get to the 200 weekly area, that will be about 50%, 48%. So on the chart, it doesn't look like a lot, but because of the price, the old price of this stock, that's actually very the potential gain is actually pretty impressive. So I talked about this in the past. I think this is a good candidate to put on your long position watch list if it's not already on there. And I think right now, maybe if you like this kind of setup, this is probably a good time to get in. But this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purpose only. So if you like this kind of setup, maybe put this one onto your watch list and then look for a good entry point. So hopefully you'll find some value in this video. Till next time. Bye for now.